This is day 19 at the One Hectare Sustainable Farm, and we are mixing cement and sand and water to make the mixture for blocking this wall. Our good friend Sam is here from the One Hectare Sustainable Farm, site number 2. And he's here to block out this wall, and then we'll take it up from there. But the show must go on. We'll go outside so you can see what we've done with the structure outside. We put the roof frame on. We're getting ready to do some more DIY videos and transplant. I did put some string. If you can see the orange line, not sure if you can see that. You should see an orange line here. That's to demarcate where the fence will go. And then there's about a 25-foot opening, which the cars will come in, because this will be the car park where this big patch of grass is. Up until where the momo booth is right now, that will be the parking lot. And then the car park, and then where this foundation is will be the momo booth. So it will take up that space. And then over here, between this momo booth and this security office, is this outdoor courtyard. Will there also be a stage built like the one that's inside? And then all of this will be the loading dock for the trucks to come in and out for the harvest in the back. And so this will be the parking lot car park I'm standing in right now. The momo booth will be there. So this path from here all the way down there to the container, the blue container at the end, is the walkway. So you'd walk down here, and then over here to the right would be the back of the outdoor stage. Over here to the left would be the, I believe on the site plan is the drying room. And then on the other side of those bricks is where the 4 sections of grow will be. And then these will be the 2 big greenhouses we have in the front. So today, we're going back over here. We did change this section, so there'll be gravel extended. The fire pit will be in the middle. We'll do that here momentarily. But we did finish putting together the frame for the roof this morning. So this afternoon, we'll continue building the roof structure, put our materials up there, hang another banner or 2, and then start putting the mesh around so we can start getting the enclosure together so that we can then put the roof on. We're going to have some more materials, as I've said, but then these red pieces, these downspouts that we found laying around, those will go on each of the ends and then collect at the bottom. So we'll be collecting rainwater for that as well, along with our reservoir over here for the fingerlings, and the plumber should be here next week as well. So this is day 19 at the One Hectare Sustainable Farm. It's just after lunch, so we're getting back to work. And we'll see you for part 2. Bye.